9 drinks that heal your gut naturally. Did you know that inside your digestive system, there's a vibrant and complex ecosystem that houses over 100 trillion microorganisms, influencing everything from your immune strength to your mood and even your weight? This ecosystem, your gut microbiome, isn't just passively digesting your food. It's actively shaping your health every single day. In recent years, gut health has emerged as one of the most vital indicators of overall well-being. Research now links poor gut health to conditions such as obesity, autoimmune diseases, depression, skin disorders, and even heart disease. While most people associate gut-friendly diets with fiber-rich foods or fermented vegetables, there's a powerful and often overlooked tool in this conversation: what you drink. Yes, your beverages can do far more than quench your thirst. They can nourish your microbiome, soothe inflammation, repair your intestinal lining, and even fuel the beneficial bacteria that keep your gut thriving. Whether you're battling bloating, irregular digestion, low energy, or immune weakness, what's in your glass may matter just as much as what's on your plate. Here are 9 powerful drinks that can supercharge your digestive health, each explained in detail, backed by research, and ready for your daily routine. 1. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fizzy, fermented tea made by adding a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast known as a SCOBY to sweetened black or green tea. During fermentation, the sugar is consumed by the microbes, producing a tangy, slightly sour drink rich in probiotics, organic acids, enzymes, and trace vitamins. These probiotics are the same friendly bacteria your gut needs to function well. When you drink kombucha, you're essentially sending a wave of these helpful microbes straight into your digestive tract, where they can help balance your gut flora. A balanced gut microbiome means fewer digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. The beneficial bacteria in kombucha work to crowd out harmful microbes, making it harder for them to cause trouble in your gut. The drink also contains compounds like acetic acid and glucuronic acid, which help with detoxification and maintaining the right pH in your intestines, creating a gut environment where good bacteria thrive. If you're looking to naturally support digestion, especially after a round of antibiotics or a period of poor eating, kombucha can be a simple and enjoyable way to give your gut a boost. 2. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that's similar to yogurt but thinner in consistency and far richer in probiotics. What sets kefir apart is its microbial diversity. It can contain up to 60 different types of bacteria and yeast. This makes it one of the most potent natural sources of live cultures that promote gut health. When you drink kefir, you're essentially replenishing your digestive system with good bacteria that help break down food, absorb nutrients, and defend against harmful invaders. For people with lactose intolerance, kefir is especially beneficial. The fermentation process breaks down much of the lactose in milk, making kefir easier to digest than regular milk. Even better, the probiotics in kefir help the body produce more of the enzyme lactase, which improves dairy digestion over time. Kefir also contains bioactive compounds that calm inflammation in the digestive tract, which is particularly helpful for those dealing with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or leaky gut. Whether consumed on its own or added to smoothies, kefir is a powerful daily ally for anyone seeking to support and strengthen their gut. 3. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, sometimes even days, to extract collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and glutamine. These nutrients are especially valuable for repairing the gut lining. People with a leaky gut, a condition where the intestinal barrier is damaged, can benefit greatly from bone broth, as it helps patch up microscopic holes in the lining of the intestines and restore its protective function. The gelatin in bone broth acts like a soothing balm for the gut, helping to seal and heal inflamed tissue. Meanwhile, the amino acid glutamine fuels the cells that line the digestive tract, aiding in their regeneration. Bone broth is also rich in minerals like magnesium and calcium, which support overall digestive enzyme activity and improve gut motility. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily or a few times per week can help soothe digestive discomfort, reduce bloating, and support long-term gut health. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea has been used for centuries to ease stomach discomfort, and for good reason. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties that calm the digestive tract. When you sip ginger tea, it helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, making it easier for your body to break down food efficiently and reduce bloating. This warm, aromatic drink is particularly useful for people with slow digestion, nausea, or cramping. Ginger tea encourages healthy gut motility, which is the process by which food moves through your digestive tract. If your digestion tends to be sluggish, ginger tea can gently wake things up and help prevent gas and constipation. It's also a go-to remedy for nausea from motion sickness, pregnancy, or post-meal discomfort. Drinking ginger tea after meals or before bed can provide a calming, supportive effect for your gut. 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is more than just a refreshing drink, it's a powerful herbal remedy that relaxes the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. This effect is thanks to menthol, peppermint's primary active compound, which helps ease spasms and cramping. When your gut muscles relax, it reduces bloating, gas, and the painful spasms often associated with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Many studies have shown that peppermint can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of IBS symptoms, making peppermint tea a gentle and effective way to support digestion without medication. It also promotes the flow of bile from the liver, helping your body digest fats more efficiently. While most people tolerate it well, those with acid reflux should use caution, as peppermint can sometimes relax the lower esophageal sphincter and worsen heartburn. But overall, a warm cup of peppermint tea can be a soothing companion to your digestive health, especially when sipped after a heavy meal. 6. Fermented vegetable juices. Fermented vegetable juices like beet kvass or sauerkraut brine may not be as popular as kombucha, but they're incredibly rich in beneficial bacteria and enzymes. These drinks are made by allowing natural bacteria to ferment vegetables in brine, which results in a tangy, salty drink that's teeming with probiotics. Just a small amount, an ounce or two, is enough to introduce billions of gut-friendly microbes into your system. In addition to probiotics, fermented juices contain lactic acid and other compounds that help lower gut pH, creating a hostile environment for bad bacteria and a welcoming one for the good. They also contain broken-down plant nutrients and minerals in forms that are easier for the body to absorb. These drinks are particularly helpful for people recovering from antibiotic use, digestive infections, or general dysbiosis, a state where harmful gut bacteria outnumber the good ones. A little fermented juice before meals can prepare your digestive system for food and encourage more complete digestion. 7. Prebiotic fiber drinks. Prebiotic fiber drinks are designed to nourish your gut's existing population of good bacteria. While probiotics introduce new microbes, prebiotics feed the ones already present, helping them grow and multiply. These drinks usually contain soluble fibers like inulin, chicory root, or acacia fiber, which travel through the digestive tract undigested until they reach the colon. There, they become food for beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. Feeding your microbiome with prebiotics leads to the production of short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which have anti-inflammatory effects and help keep the gut lining strong. These drinks can help improve bowel regularity, reduce bloating, and support a balanced gut environment. They're especially helpful for people struggling with constipation or post-antibiotic recovery. While they're generally safe and beneficial, it's best to start slowly to avoid gas or bloating as your gut adjusts to the increased fiber. 8. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly EGCG, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. But recent research shows that green tea also acts as a gentle modulator of the gut microbiome. It supports the growth of beneficial bacteria while suppressing the bad ones, helping to restore microbial balance and reduce digestive issues like bloating and irregularity. One especially important benefit of green tea is that it increases the presence of Akkermansia muciniphila, a bacterium associated with a healthy gut lining and reduced inflammation. Green tea's polyphenols also enhance the production of short-chain fatty acids that nourish colon cells and support immune function. Drinking green tea regularly can help ease digestive discomfort, improve nutrient absorption, and even regulate appetite and metabolism, making it a multitasking beverage that benefits the gut and beyond. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, especially when raw and unfiltered, contains enzymes, acetic acid, and trace probiotics that support digestion in multiple ways. One of its most valuable effects is increasing stomach acidity, which helps break down food more efficiently and improves the absorption of minerals like calcium and magnesium. For those with low stomach acid, a surprisingly common issue, apple cider vinegar can help restore proper digestion and reduce bloating or heaviness after meals. Additionally, apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar levels, which has indirect benefits for the gut. Stable blood sugar reduces inflammation throughout the body and supports a healthier gut barrier. The pectin content in apple cider vinegar also acts as a mild prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Drinking a tablespoon or 2 of diluted apple cider vinegar before meals can improve digestion and support gut health over time. However, it should always be diluted, as undiluted vinegar can irritate the throat or erode tooth enamel. Healing and supporting your gut doesn't have to be overwhelming. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are also the simplest. The drinks you choose each day can be a quiet but powerful force in shaping your digestion, immunity, and even your mood. These 9 beverages not only taste great but also deliver a daily dose of gut-loving support that your body will thank you for. Whether you're sipping on kombucha, calming your stomach with ginger tea, or nourishing your microbiome with prebiotics, each drink adds a layer of protection and vitality to your digestive system. Incorporate these drinks into your daily routine consistently, and over time, you'll likely notice better digestion, fewer symptoms, and an overall improvement in how you feel. A healthier gut begins with smarter choices, and sometimes, it starts with a simple sip. Which of these drinks have you tried? Which one are you excited to add to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more wellness tips every week.